What's up, everybody? It's Knox
and Chris
from Central Card Cade, and we are here to open up a Pokemon treasure box. This is different than the treasure chest we've opened previously. That came in a metal tin. This is cardboard. It's also different than an Elite Trainer box. So this has, looks like 7 packs and instead of 8, and some different inserts.
All right. Treasure Box 2022. Pokemon.
We really need to bring a knife to these things.
Comes with 3 promo cards, 7 booster packs, and more.
So this is about $10 less than a trainer box. So kind of for a different audience. You're not getting the card sleeves, the other things you get, but there are these inserts. You have some promo foils, a Rowlet, Oshawott, Cyndaquil. That's pretty decent foiling.
Is there any damaging to the tops?
No. No, they look pretty clean. Looks like they're packaged well.
Got them in there good. That's nice. Just the way they were sitting in those sleeves, it looked a little odd.
Little coin. That's neat. They're kind of just in a little slot here.
That's kind of neat. More packaging. What we got down there?
This isn't. It's cardboard instead of the tin like they've done before, but it's not a bad little box.
Let's see that.
Got some stickers. Oh, like a little notebook.
A notebook. There you go.
It's kind of cool. It's textured. Doesn't feel cheap.
Oh no, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's got a pattern to it.
Alright, some packs. We've got... Oh, there's a code if anyone wants it. I've never played online or in person, so I'm not going to use it. So we got 2 Brilliant Stars. Looks like 3 Vivid Voltage, a Fusion Strike, and an Evolving Skies. So these are about $30. That's not too bad.
That's not horrible for 7 packs. You get the really nice notebook, the stickers, the box to carry your cards in.
What do you think we should start with? Let's do this Evolving Skies.
Ooh, it's one of my favorites of the recent sets. I like some Evolving Skies. Alright. There we go.
Bravery, Nuzleaf, Fiskew,
Roggenrola, Wobbuffet, Hoppip, Swablu,
Zoria, Full Face Guard, Reverse Hollow, and a Flapple.
A Flapple.
I used to drink Flapple.
Alright.
Back in the 90s. Oh wait, that was Snapple.
Snapple. So what are we on now?
Brilliant Stars.
Brilliant Stars. Alright. Cracking packs out of a Pokemon treasure box. Let's see what we come up with here.
Oh, that card's already damaged. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully it's nothing important.
There we are.
Fracture, Cafe Master, Goodbite,
Oh.
Piplup, Shroomish. Kids, stay off the Shroomish. Turtwig.
A Sneasel.
Ooh,
Ooh, there you go.
Secret Reverse, and ooh, Mimikyu V.
There we go. That's a nice looking card.
Oily, that's pretty straight.
Yeah, it's in good shape.
Not too bad. Let's see. We have 3 of these Vivid Voltage. Let's hit one of those.
Alright, Vivid Voltage. Oh. There we are. Nice.
Galvantula. Wash energy. Wash your energy.
Make sure you wash
Nuzleaf.
all your energy.
Ashwat. Pinnacle.
Fairy.
Tunamo. Milcery. It's a Wombat. Reverse. And, ooh. Zagard.
That's nice looking foil.
Foil.
I like the coloring on it. The coloring is really nice.
Groovy. Let's do another Vivid.
There we go. What do we have left? We have another Vivid. We got some Fusion and a Brilliant Stars. So what packs do you guys like cracking out of these sets? What was your favorite sets that you guys like to play? Or that you like to crack packs of? Put it down in the comments below.
Giraffe-rig.
Giraffe-rig. They just combining them all together now.
Moo Moo Cheese.
There.
Sounds like the name of a deck that I don't want to play against.
Ferrotone.
Dynamo. Clavopus. Hello.
A Woobat.
Woobat. Tello.
There's
Ooh,
a
Charmander.
There we are. Yum.
Yama Reverse. And a Manic Trick.
Alright.
Let's try the old Fusion Strike.
So far, just the one V and the one hollow, so.
Drakloak. Cove Squire. Shauna. It's Shauna of the Dead. Skitty!
Skitty.
Flinks. Choodle.
Wallaby.
Dewpider.
Alright, and we got a Gligar reverse hollow there. And Electrode. Alright.
This last.
2 packs left. It's not bad. The promo cards, the Rowlet, the Cyndaquil, and the Oshawott, those were pretty nice cards. The coloring and the art on them. So we got,
Earththorn.
there we go.
Careless. Sounds like a Star Wars character. Dusclops. Ulu. Sneevy.
There we go. C-Dot. Electric. Clefairy. And a Skiddo reverse.
Explode. My head explode. And finish it up with the other Brilliant Stars.
Brilliant Stars. This be a nice, there's a code for you. Executor. Got Hunting Gloves. Weevil. Sock. Cherubi. Alright.
Spiritomb.
And
Monferno. And a Wormadam.
Well, Wormadam. No VMAXs. No rainbows. But
Got a
a
couple.
good looking V and a good looking hollow. Still got a box to keep our cards in. A couple promo cards. Some
this box-
stickers.
We don't have any deck boxes handy, but I bet this holds some deck boxes pretty well, so
Yeah.
not too bad.
There we go.
So what you're looking at, about $30. Not the worst deal. as far as the kind of secondary products go.
Yeah. I mean, Pokemon Go 2022, 7 packs of cards.
Yeah, I think it depends. If you want to save $10 and get an extra pack and not get all of the same set like you do in a trainer box, it could be worth it.
Yeah,
And
if you like the random, just to get whatever, it's a good deal. It'd definitely be a good gift.
yeah, great gift for.
The randomness of the packs is really nice.
You're not getting ripped off, I don't think. So
Yeah, definitely. And they're always fun to open. Can never complain when you're cracking packs.
right. Well, Central Card Cade, join us again. We'll crack some more packs.